So the space around this would be the coelom, right?
Yeah, I think so. Let's see.
So the space around the whole diaphragm is the coelom.
The mesentery is what holds all the intestines together.
It'd be like a membrane, right?
Yeah, all the membranes.
Holds it all together.
Like this membrane right there. That's all the mesentery.
Do you see the transparent membrane?
Oh.
That would be the mesentery.
That's the mesentery.
However pronounced.
The liver.
Sorry, you go ahead.
No, you got that. You got the liver. Where's the liver?
Well, I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. Here's a liver, which is this giant brown piece of poo.
Yep.
The stomach is right underneath it. This sac.
Yeah, deflated sac.
That's the
Deflated
sour?
sac. This is the stomach.
Okay.
Okay, so liver, stomach.
Spleen.
The spleen is this guy right here. This really weird thing. You see it?
It's like a little thing of skin.
Yeah, it's like a skin flap almost. This is the spleen. The gallbladder, I believe, is right here. See this greenish part right here?
Yeah.
Gallbladder, right?
Yeah. See. Right there in the diagram. Gallbladder.
Gallbladder. Small intestine is of course all this junk. But in the small intestine, we need to find the duodenum,
The
jejunum, and the ileum.
Yeah. You can't. It's hard to point it out.
It's like one is the beginning, one is the end. Right?
I'm guessing because it's important. The duodenum, it comes right off the stomach. So it's the first part that comes off the stomach. The jejunum is the middle part, and then there's the ileum that connects to the colon.
Which is like right around here.
This is gonna,
So does that make
gonna
sense?
be the ileum.
So here's the stomach, and so the beginning
top,
of the
middle,
intestines, will be the duodenum. Before you get to the end, it's called the jejunum, and then right about here is the ileum.
Okay.
Which connects to the colon. The first part of the colon is the cecum.
So the colon, is that this guy?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the colon, right?
Yeah. And the first
I
part.
think it includes this, so it's this weird looking Tootsie Roll.
Yeah.
The cecum.
So yeah, I think,
You can't, well, because on the pig you can't see all of it, but that is the colon right there.
yeah. And I know it's right about where the first part of the colon is called the cecum, because the last part's the anus, and that's easy to know. So here's the colon. The first part where the intestine meets the colon would be the cecum. The rectum, I believe, is right. It's this pipe, right? Would be leading to the rectum, and underneath all of this, it would go to the anus. Did I get? It's in the what?
Right where the branches from here.
Mine. Oh crap, mine's on the ground. Let's do some review while they're looking for that. So liver, spleen, stomach, gallbladder, intestines. At the beginning of the intestines, the duodenum. On the way to the end is the jejunum, and then right about the end, which should be right about here, actually is the ileum.
Right here.
Ileum.
So all this part is still part of the colon. All this is still part of the colon right here.
Okay,
Next
yeah.
to it. The rectum is actually at the end, because on this picture right there, it goes the rectum right before the anus. So it's like the rectum is right underneath there. Right down there at the bottom.
So underneath the vagina and the urinary tract,
Yeah.
you have the rectum,
and then
and the anus is the exterior. Remember how the vulva was this right here? The vulva is basically,
right
Outside?
yeah, how it's outside.
Before we cut into
The
it.
anus is the outside. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
The two pipes. Is that all for the
And then
fetal pig?
the mouth, this is the larynx right here. You got the larynx. Well, underneath it,
Wait, which one's the larynx?
That main pipe,
the main pipe,
the big one that's not really
It's not,
this guy right
okay.
here.
Yeah. And then underneath it, you can't really see because it's
seeing people with pigs and
underneath this right here. You can't see it. It's hard to see. It's the esophagus.
It's the esophagus underneath it? Okay.
Yeah. But he said since they're fetal pigs, they are well developed into really small.
that'd be really cool.
So you kind of, you had got it. See, kind of right there, that little guy.
Okay.
Yeah, that little guy is esophagus.
That's esophagus, okay.
And that's all you need to know on fetal pigs.